I am Jeanine Rendon. I'm 38 years old. I live in Olongapo City. I'm a college graduate. I am a single.
Why do you want to work in
To
abroad?
earn more money.
Hello, Miss Jeanine. How are you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, in KSE.
How many members of the family that you
5,
serve?
ma'am.
How many children?
3.
How old are the children when you begin to work there?
3 years old, then the 4 years old, and then the 6 years old.
Okay, so you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your main duties?
Change diaper, feed them, and then clean them.
Okay, so can you sing children's song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Arabic food, English, American food, and then the Filipino food.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you describe your personal character?
I'm a hardworking, friendly, and happy person.
Okay. How do you perform as a good domestic helper? Can you follow the rules and regulations of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.